OpenKM can be integrated with workflow automation tools such as n8n. We could connect it directly through the REST API, but in this example, we do it through artificial intelligence using the MCP service, which exposes a set of tools that the AI can use directly. Here we can see an agent with an AI model, memory capabilities, and the OpenKM NCP client. We define a set of basic instructions that the model must follow in the following iterations. And from this point on, we can already interact with the model directly from the workflow. We begin with simple requests, such as obtaining the system date and time. We can see that it has used one of the available tools, getSystemDate. Automatically, the artificial intelligence has identified the service to which it needed to send the request. Another simple example is checking the OpenKM version to which the AI agent is currently connected. We can see how the response matches exactly the version of the system connected at that moment. In other words, the goal is for it to first analyze and identify the type of document. In this case, it has detected that the document is an invoice, and once the document type has been identified, we then ask it to extract the metadata and add it to the document. By using artificial intelligence operating directly with a document management system, we can integrate this into complex workflows and allow it to automatically process documents in the background, classify them, and define their security settings. Here we can see how, in this case, as mentioned earlier, it has extracted the metadata fields and automatically incorporated them into the document management system.